Hey guys, welcome to K.Nicole's Beauty. So I just want to come on here to thank you all who subscribed to my channel. I hit 500 subscribers and I'm so excited about that because I've been working really hard. No, I'm lying. I haven't been working really hard. I could work harder, but I slowly been creeping up to hit 500 subscribers over a couple years, and that's sad. But I'm trying to be consistent and stay on this thing. I love YouTube. I like watching certain channels on YouTube that I can relate to, and I'll be like, I can do that. I can do all the things they're doing, and it just makes memories on my channel where me and my kids can watch because they love seeing themselves on TV. They think they some stars or whatnot. So I'm starting to get really comfortable on camera to be recording more and everything. See, like right now I'm looking a hot mess, but I'm like, I don't care. I just want to, build up my community, get my page up, talk to everybody. I mean, we're not perfect. It's like so many people out there that just show their perfect life on social media, be showing the good and never the bad or the ugly. I'm saying, like, you be having a rough day. You've been having a rough day. You don't feel like doing anything. You show your laziness. Like, people be showing their house. I'm like, you got this many kids, 8 kids, and your house is just spotless clean. How do you do that? Like, I know they be cutting out so much of the good stuff. So I want to just be real on here. Like right now, I'm about to show y'all my garage. It's a hot mess. So you just seen that, right? Yeah, my garage is a hot mess, and like, that's content. I could be recording myself cleaning that up. I can show you my kitchen. Like, I'm about to get ready to go in there and finish cleaning it up. I was started and I ended up eating some wings, dinner, whatever. And then I went out here to work out. I know it's a bad combination to be eating and then going working out. I'm eating bad, working out, whatever. But I don't eat a lot during the day, so that's another thing. But anyways, that's another separate thing about me trying to get fit and whatnot, because I do compare myself to others online. I'm not gonna lie, I do. But lately I've been looking at my old videos of myself, old pictures of myself and my body. And I was like, ooh, that girl got them curves. But now I got them curves. I got them everywhere. So I'm trying to work on that. I have my elliptical over there that I be using. I also got a weight set over here. Yes, I work out in all this clutter, but it don't bother me, guys. For real, it don't bother me. But yes, it do. It do bother me. It do. I really come out here, but I do get on the elliptical, and then when it's clean, I do come out here for real. But it's not clean right now, so yeah, I ain't worried about it. But like I was saying, like I could be cleaning. My husband just took down the tree. I could have recorded him taking down the tree, me talking about that and what we're gonna do next year. Like, I be having so many ideas. I have books of me writing stuff down, and I just don't commit to it. So for 2024 is my word for 2024 is being committed and consistent. Committed and consistent and being patient. So those are my 3: committed, being committed, consistent, and patient. I am not patient. I be want to see results ASAP with everything. So I'm trying to work on that. That's the thing I'm trying to work on for 2024. But yeah, guys, I really just want to post a lot of just little things around, everything I do. I want to post everything I do. I want to be a lifestyle content creator. I want to build a community on here where I can talk to other females on my channel, or other people. I wouldn't say just females, but other people on my channel that relate to me, that want to build a friendship online. I'm saying we ain't got to, fly to each other, drive to each other. We ain't got to do all that. I ain't trying to do all that, but we can talk to each other, hear each other out, listen to each other's story, give advice, things of that nature. My phone cut off on me, but I do have friends that from college and high school that I do want to build a closer relationship with. We ain't got to see each other every day, but I would like to talk to them every month, once a month maybe, or something like that, because I know we got kids and we got our own lives to live that we dealing with, problems that we dealing with. We trying to get through life without hassle and dealing, having another person you have to worry about in that type of way. Like, you know, I don't know how to explain it. I don't want to sound all rude or whatnot, but I do want to build a closer relationship with my other friends that I've been having since college and high school. So hopefully that can happen in 2024. And also the relationships I have gained after that. I have friends after that I've met outside of college too. So I want to build a community on YouTube as well, and maybe we could just hang out online. My son just messed me up. But anyway, so all about that. You already know what I want to do with 2024. But yeah, guys, so I just want to put out a video just to thank you all of you 500 people that are watching me and that like my content. I'm trying to find a niche. I don't know where that's going to be at, but overall, I just want to be a lifestyle content creator. I like to clean. I like to cook. I like to work out. I like hanging out with my kids, with my husband, making funny videos, TikToks. I like all that good stuff. I like social media, so I'm trying to take advantage of this opportunity that I have of making content for everyone to enjoy and like. So, yeah, again, thank you for 500 subscribers. I don't know how many times I've said that, but I'm so excited. I was even excited for 25 subscribers. I was excited for 25,000 views that I got on the video, a hair video. Like, guys, I like doing hair and makeup. I'm a DIY person. I'm talking really fast because I'm trying to hurry up because my son keeps coming in and out. But he's trying to watch me and everything, and I don't like that because I get nervous. But anyways, I'm about to leave. Thank you guys for watching, and continue watching me. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Bye-bye. All right, guys, so this is one of my first videos I've done on my fingers. These are polygel nails. This is one of my first set, and this could have been a video, but your girl deleted all the content. So yeah, that was that. And then this is where my husband was doing a ring light for me. This is when we didn't have no money, and he made me a DIY ring light. Isn't he just so awesome? But yeah, he finished it, and I never did use it. I ended up buying me one off Amazon. So here is when I had some leftover hair. I was doing a DIY video on it. I did not use the lace front part of it, but I did use the tracks. I washed and conditioned it. I had a whole video on this, but I'm just showing you the hair that was in my head. And it was like, I think three bundles. And then the next video you're gonna see how it came out. And like, that could have been a video, but I deleted some of the videos off of my phone, and this is what was left of it. I did a half up and half down, and my hair was out in the front. I showed how to tuck it and everything, guys. I had a whole video on this, and it could have been content on my YouTube, but I was too scared to post it. And then I'm gonna go into the next video, and this is when I tried out the lace front, and I tried to glue it and do all that extraness to it. I did really good, but again, the content, I didn't have none. And then this video is when my kids got to see the house for the first time. I do have that video on my phone, but I did not edit it. I was nervous about what people would say. I was thinking about what people say, and it's not there. I don't have it posted on nothing or anything. I could have, but I didn't. Then here's a video of my body that I was so insecure about. Guys, I was trying to start out working out or workout videos and everything like that, but I was too insecure to even start, and so I didn't even post it. But then I went ahead and tried out my first video ever in the house, our new house, and I followed Chloe Ting or something like that. And guys, I was so insecure, and I did not post the video either. So like I was saying, there's content all around you. You just have to put in the effort, be consistent, and be committed, and be patient. Believe me, guys, I was scared too. So once you start posting, you'll start getting used to it, and everything will come easy. Just post that video. Go and do it, guys. I'm about to start editing all my old videos and posting them.